And here's the engine removed. I actually did this one different than I've ever done one before. I kept as much together as absolutely possible. So I even kept the starter and engine mount in there, even down to that brace underneath the transmission. And tucked all the hoses and wiring to the side and just lifted it right out the top. Didn't mess with any of the body work, nothing. And this is the engine right here. I couldn't get the number before I removed it, but I showed what it looked like. And then usually you can just put a file on here. This is just like some kind of gummy glue they put on here. So I'm gonna remove most of it. Just like that. I get the side of the file here. Now let's get a, thought I had a towel or something. Got some parts cleaner here. Oil dry mat that was handy. All right, now we can see the number on there. CAE 186827. That's what it looks like. They already replaced the water pump on this one. Looks like it's got the original tensioner and idler, OEM oil filter. Probably everything is OEM otherwise. Coils. This breather might have been updated from the factory. They might have done a part 1 oil consumption, but not a part 2. So just looking at the engine, I'm gonna take a look at the sealant to see if the sealant's ever been apart. That looks like a factory bead across the lower oil pan, upper oil pan, and front timing case. There's no evidence that this engine has ever been apart. So now I'm gonna look at the turbo. We're gonna look at this wastegate linkage, and it's tight. I can't move this bell right here. I'm gonna put a clip on it anyway. So the turbo's in good shape. And it's just gonna get a basic piston job for oil consumption. Make sure that this rear outlet housing is still in good shape. All right.